How to change resolution on Netflix. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change resolution on Netflix. To change the resolution on Netflix, you will need to adjust the playback settings. Here's how you can do it. Open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. Here hover the cursor over your profile icon at the top right and from the drop down menu, click on this account option. Once you reach to this account settings option, scroll down and click on this edit settings option. You will be taken to a new page again. Here you will find playback settings. Under preferences, click on this playback setting and under it you will find data usage per screen. You will see the options to choose resolution or video quality. Depending on your device and subscription plan, you may have different resolutions options such as high, medium, low and auto. Select the resolution you prefer from available options. Keep in mind that higher resolution typically requires more bandwidth and data usage. After selecting the desired resolution, save your changes by clicking on the save option right here, and Netflix should provide you with a confirmation message to let you know that the resolution settings has been updated successfully. Keep in mind that the available resolution options may vary depending on your device capabilities and your Netflix subscription plan. Additionally, if you are streaming on a mobile device, the resolution may be automatically adjusted based on your network connection and device settings to optimize playback and reduce data usage. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.